Hello, today is Tuesday, May 22nd, 2018. My name is Daniel Mullaney and I am filming a video source inspection for SciTech Process Solutions. Today we'll be viewing a fully refurbished 270S semi-tool spin rinser dryer. Our customer is located in the southern United States and their PO number is MS162977. This SRD has been fully refurbished by SciTech. It was sent in for refurbishment by our customer due to particle count and other failures. This tool is equipped with various options that we will review as we get the process going, since watching the spin drying is not the most exciting aspect of this tool. So, taking a look down below, here we have the controller. It's the 102 controller. Chamber inside has been EP'd, electropolished, and refurbished. Cassette is ready for a process run. Excellent. So this SRD is a 270S. That means it is a 6-inch capable unit. This head assembly could be configured into either a tabletop unit. It could be configured into just want to make sure we're progressing properly. It could be configured into a tabletop unit, a standalone unit, or a double stack unit that you see next to us right here. This tool is equipped with two options that I can see, which is DI recirculation and potentially resistivity. The resistivity would not be included on the head assembly as is right here. Resistivity is actually plumbed into the drain box on the back, and that is part of the final configuration. Here we just have the single head assembly, which was sent in for refurbishment, and it'll be reinstalled back into the customer's tool set when it returns on site. This customer has also purchased a new S-model double stack from us. This unit right here is not the unit they will be receiving, but it is identical to this tool. They have also opted to include our digital touchscreen controllers here that are new and state-of-the-art. But back to the tool that we're working on right here. Every tool refurbished by SciTech goes through the same extensive rebuild process. First, we will take an SRD and we will break it down to the component level. From there, we will individually test all components for function, as well as electropolishing all metal parts and replacing standard consumables such as gaskets, O-rings, and tubing. Once the tool has been prepped for its build with all of the tested parts, we will build the tool up to the single head assembly configuration, which you see in front of you. Once in this configuration, we'll go through a series of dry quality control checkpoints to ensure that the tool is tubed properly, labeled properly, and has the proper fit. Once the tool passes our dry quality control, we will send it through a wet test, what we call a wet test. Here we're going to hook it up to full facilities, including nitrogen, water, and electrical, and we will ensure that the tool is operating into its proper specification. Once the tool passes wet test, we'll move it into our final test, which is where we are now. Once we're in final test, the tool will go through a final series of quality control to ensure that the unit is ready for plug and play when it is returned to our customers. Typically, the SRD will be configured into poly at this point. However, whenever heads are sent in for just head assembly refurbishments, they are tested outside the poly, which is how you see it in front of you. One aspect that I forgot to mention at the beginning of the video is the system serial number. This system serial number is SRD-01099. Okay, taking a look down at our 102 controller, we are currently in dry 2. We have 150 seconds left of dry time, and we are spinning at our typical dry 2 RPM, which is 500 RPM. In addition to selling refurbished SRDs to our customers, SciTech also provides 100% spare part and service support for spin rinser dryers. That means that we can provide every spare part and service needed to keep your SRD line up and running. This would be standard consumables such as windows, door seals, tubing, filters, and grommets, or other spare parts such as ACR valves, solenoid valves, rotor stop positioner, tach sensor, or any other part you need. We also have major components and major component services such as motors and motor repairs, controllers and controller repairs, amps and amp repairs, and any other service you might need. SciTech is a one-stop shop for 100% of your spin rinse dryer needs, specifically your semi-tool spin rinse dryer needs. We have now 70 more seconds left of dry time. I'm taking a look inside the chamber and they're looking great. The chamber is really dry and we are still spinning properly. It's difficult to see on camera whether or not there's vibration in the tool, but as I rest my hand on it and throughout this process, I can see that the tool is in proper spec for vibration as well. I will take this moment to introduce a few other products that SciTech can offer. In addition to spin rinse dryers and spin rinse spare part and service, SciTech also sells a variety of other front-end fab equipment. This would be the HTC box washer series, HTC 8010 and 30. This is floorware HTC, also known. We also provide a variety of metrology tools such as profilometers, ellipsometers, thin film measurement tools, bow flatness tools, and others. We provide barrel, ashers, and etchers, photoresist pumps and photoresist pump repairs for IDI, millipore, and Cybor, and lastly, a variety of microscopes. At 25 RPM, the controller will automatically upright the rotor, as you see. I heard the door seal release, so we know we are ready to complete the process. Feeling inside, the low pressure purge is on as it is supposed to be. And the cassette and wafers are warm, dry, and ready for the next step in the manufacturing process. Thank you for taking the time to view our video source inspection for today. Again, my name is Daniel Mullaney and I filmed this inspection for SciTech Process Solutions. If you have more questions, please visit our website at www.scitechprocess.com or give us a call at 916-797-9000, and to reach me directly, dial extension 2201. Thank you very much and have a great day.